Hi, I have in front of me a 32-inch LED TV. The manufacturer on this is a company called TV Star. They're suppliers of all our LED TVs, and generally the quality on them is extremely good. So this is very impressive both in terms of the size, the picture quality, and also the energy rating on it. It uses just 47 watts, okay? So to give you an idea of how it comes in this outer box, which you can see here. Next we come along and there's a user manual which is in English. Okay, we come along. We have a 3.5mm to RCA adapter here, which we could use for converting. We'll say if we're connecting some type of input device that was RCA or indeed SCAR, it's easy to convert over. We have a component version of this. We have an adapter that comes with it. Simply converts it to give it a 3-pin plug, and we have the remote control here with a set of AAA batteries. The remote itself is quite impressive in terms of its easy use, nice chunky buttons, and also in terms of the range, it's extremely good. So you can see the general picture quality that we have here. It's very, very good. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to rotate the TV around to about 90 degrees. I don't know if you can pick it up here. Is that good? And what we have here is we have a USB port, so we can add on, we'll say, to use the media player functionality that comes in it for recording things like this. What we have here is the card slot as well, so there's a common interface there. And we have two 3.5mm outputs, one for inputs, one for AV, so the RCA, and basically the other one for the component parts. And then what we have is 3 HDMI inputs as well. If we rotate it further and we look at the back of the unit here, we'll see there's an MPEG-4 tuner here. This is where we're feeding our SareView aerial directly in here. We have the power input, so there's a built-in power unit inside the TV. We have headphones connection here, so we can actually just run it directly to headphones rather than using the audio output and speakers on it. We have the SCART here, and we also have a PC output, and very important here, we have a VGA output. So this actually can be used with a monitor, we'll say, if you were using it directly next to a DVR or a PC, something like that. So it's really, really handy in terms of that. So the overall, this is very much a premium product. The only assembly you need to do when you receive it is just basically the base here just needs to be screwed in. That's only a matter of maybe 60 seconds, a minute and a half to put the whole thing together. And we can see also the VESA standards on the back here, so it's ideal for wall mounting as well. So you can see there, and we've associated products with it, which are brackets that are suitable for mounting it directly onto a wall. In terms of this, the television itself, it's reliable, okay? In terms of we've a virtual zero return rate on the overall range of TVs that we have, and we've always found TV Star fantastic in terms of they don't fix, just replace anything that ever goes faulty inside their entire product range. And in terms of price point that it comes in on, we're more competitive than any of the multiples. So from that perspective, it's very, very attractive proposition. It's part of a much wider range of LED TVs we have, so it's starting from about 19 inch and going up. Currently 32 inch is one of the larger ones we have. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 32 inch LED TV to be found on freetv.ie.